Want a free iCloud space fast? In 60 seconds I'll show exactly how. Open Settings, tap your name at the top, then choose iCloud from the list. Tap Manage Storage to see what's taking up space right now. Here are your backups, photos, and app data. Let's remove items you don't need. Tap a category, review individual items, then swipe or tap Delete to remove. Confirm Delete when prompted. Deleted items free space immediately on your account. To delete a backup, select it, tap Delete Backup, then confirm to remove it. For photos, open iCloud Photos, remove albums or recent uploads you no longer need. To delete app data, pick the app under Manage Storage and delete documents and data. Watch the space meter update, you should see more available storage instantly. If you need more space, consider upgrading your plan or offloading files to local storage or another cloud. Done. Your iCloud storage is cleaner now. Remember to back up essentials regularly.